పెట్టి సరే మండే కదా పెట్టి జల్దీ మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు వస్తావు మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు guys please confirm to me all of you get my voice on screen those are attending in online is my voice is clear to all of you guys please confirm to me all of you get my voice on screen those are attending in online is my voice is clear to all of you guys please confirm to me guys please confirm to me all of you get my voice on screen all right sir and check it what we completed in the last session. So I think so we are discussing about language fundamentals in language fundamentals. All right, sir. In language fundamentals, what topic here we discussed there? All right, sir. Almost all the next week, maybe Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Max Wednesday and Thursday. These 2 days, maybe you have to come at 6 o'clock for object orientation. The time is coming for us. Then we have to attend the sessions at morning. That means sorry, at 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. before this slot. Okay. All right, sir. Max on which date there? Tuesday or Wednesday on these 2 dates? Not 2 days, continuously. 2 days. Your actual batch is at 6 o'clock. Think of it. Then 7:30, these fundamentals I'm going to take. Okay, fine. All right, sir. And number systems, the topic here we understand there. Number systems. In number systems, what we understood the content there, in all programming languages, so to represent numbers, we have to follow some standards there. What are the standards here we have to follow? That standards would be like what there? Number systems. There we have to follow some standards. That standards would be like what there? Number systems. Observe carefully. Then after that, after completion of this, how many number systems are available in general? All right, 4 number systems are available in general. What are the 4 number systems here we are having? Observe carefully. 4 number systems would be like what there? Binary number system. Then what next one here? After this binary number system, octal number system, decimal number system. Then after that, what next one here? Hexadecimal number system. These are overall number systems here what we are having there. That's okay, fine. Next one is after that, after understanding this point here, another thing is like what I'm telling to you, binary number systems here we already aware about it. Binary number systems here we are having clarity. What exactly the binary number system here now? What you are understanding about this binary number system? We can prepare the numbers just by using 2 symbols. What 2 symbols here we are able to use there? First one is what there? Zeros and ones. They are the 2 symbols here we are able to use. All right, sir. Input alphabet is zeros and twos. Base is what there? 2. That is what there? 2 number of input alphabet here we are getting. Prefix value is like what there? 0 small v or 0 capital V. All right, sir. Now some examples here we provided clearly. All right, sir. Then after that, binary number system is not supported in Java up to JDK 1.6 version. It is supported from JDK 1.7 version because binary number system was introduced by JDK 1.7 version as a new feature. Observe carefully. Next one is after completion of this octal number system. Base is what there? 8. Base 8 we have to use for octal number system. Input alphabet is like what there? 0 to 7, not 8. Prefix value is what there? 0, not O. Please remember this. Next one is example here we have to understand. Some examples I have given there. Next one is find the number system for the following numbers. Some examples here we have given there for this. Leave this one. That's okay, fine. Right, sir. Some example program here I provided. No. Then what next one here? After completion of this, we can understand that third one is like what there? Decimal number system. What is the next one here? No, decimal number system. All right, sir. All right, sir. Decimal number system. Observe carefully. In a decimal number system, what you are understanding there? What is that input alphabet actually? First of all, what is this base actually? Base is a 10 num. On a decimal number system, base is what there? 10 num. Next one is input alphabet. Input alphabet is like what there? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right, sir. Input alphabet is like what there? 0 to 9. Understand this clearly. After this 0 to 9, what next one here? After this, observe carefully. Next one is prefix value. Now tell me guys, in the case of binary number, what is the prefix value? 0 prefix value. Prefix value in the case of binary numbers is what there? 0 small b or 0 capital B. In the case of octal numbers, what is the prefix value? Only 0. So in the case of decimal number, prefix value would be like what there? No prefix value. In the case of decimal numbers, no prefix value. Directly we can prepare what their numbers without having any prefix value. Understand this clearly. No? This is exactly the meaning of like what their prefixes for this. After completion of this prefix, after understanding these prefix values there, and what next one here? All right, sir. Now they are the concepts. No, then no need to take any example for it. Right from our childhood onwards, we are using the same number system. Right from beginning, we are using what there? Same number system. No need to take any specific example for it. Got it or not? Leave this one here. Next one is like what there? Hexadecimal number. Hexadecimal system. Hexadecimal number system. All right, sir. Hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system. Okay, fine. All right, sir. Now here, what is this base actually? Base value is like what there? 16 base. That means 16 number of input alphabet. Next one is input alphabet is what there? Input alphabet is like what there? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, comma A, B, C, D, E, F. That's it. 0 to 9, 0 to 9, and A to F. Got it or not? 0 to 9 and A to F. These are like what there? Input alphabet. Here we are getting there. Next one, after completion of this. After completion of this, what next one here? Prefix value. What is the prefix value for this? Either 0 small x or a 0 capital X. 0 small x or 0 capital X. Okay. All right, sir. Next one is after that. After understanding this hexadecimal number, now we need to see some examples. Now here we have to identify which things are valid and which things are invalid. Now here int a is equal to 10 are given, into b is equal to all right, so now 0 small x 1 2 3 4 5 6 something else. Now next one is int c is equal to 0 capital X 7 8 9. Okay, fine. A B C D like this here we are able to provide. Int d is equal to, observe carefully, 0 small x D E F G something else here we provided. Now these are the examples here are given. What is this first one there? Now tell me. What is this first one? You know, first one is right. It is a decimal number. It is a decimal number, not a hexadecimal number. It is not hexadecimal number. It is simply a decimal number, not a hexadecimal number. All right, sir. Right, sir. Then after that, what next one here? Into b is equal to 0 x 1 2 3 4. Valid or invalid? No. Yes, valid. Next one is what there? After this, valid or invalid? No. All right, so now 0 capital X. Now something else here we provided valid. The last one is valid or invalid? No. Why it is invalid, sir? Now tell me. G we provided. G is not in the alphabets of what there for this hexadecimal key. No. So this is what there invalid. All right. Yes, sir. Okay. That's not my intention anyway. Okay, fine. Now this is like what their hexadecimal number. Then simple examples here we understood. Clear? All of you are getting clarity now? Right, sir. Fine. Next one is after that. As usual, I'll show some program there. Simple program for it. Class test. Public static void main string array args. System out dot println of. Right, sir. Now, first of all, here I want to take into a is equal to, I want to represent hexadecimal value. So that I want to provide over there 0x10 something else. System dot out dot println of a. System dot out dot println of a. Now let me save this. Now D drive Java 730. Then here tested dot Java. Tested dot Java. Let me compile this. All right, sir. Java C space test.java compiled successfully. Java space test. What is this? Oh, sorry. Java's now where I prepared this program. Right. Test.java compiled successfully. Java space test. Now output here we are getting 16, sir. Then how we are getting output 16 here? Observe carefully. As usual, output will come in the form of like what their decimal number system. So that hexadecimal value will be converted to what their decimal system. So right to left digits we have to take, but every digit must be multiplied with 16 and its increasing power. Alright, sir. Now tell me 0 into then 16 power 0 plus 1 into 16 power what there 1. Right, sir. Now tell me, what's the value here? 0 into something else, 0. Then what next one? 1 into 16. 1 into 16 power 1 is what there? 16. So, okay, that output value is what there? 16. Here we are getting that output. Right, sir. Now this is a program here we can understand where output is like what there? 16. Here we are getting. Okay, right. We can take any example here. No problem for it. Right. Now, understand it. After getting clarity on this particular one, after understanding this, I want to go for some questions, some internal concepts here I want to discuss with you. Now try to understand it. One note I'm telling to you, all of you observe carefully that note. What is the note here? Listen carefully. Note is what? If we provide any number in any number system, if we provide any number in any number system in a Java application, then in the compilation, compiler will convert the provided number from the provided number system to decimal number system, and compiler and JVM will process that number like a decimal number. Further processing is going on what their decimal number. Here output values will be generated in a decimal number system. Output values will be generated in what their decimal number system. That is the point here we can understand. If we provide any number in any number system in Java application, then in a compilation, compiler will convert the provided number from the provided number system to the decimal number system. Compile and JVM will process that number like a decimal number. Your output values will be generated in a decimal number system. Because of that reason only, every output we are getting in what their decimal number system only. Sir, all of you are getting it or not? This is one point here. This is internal concept. That's okay, fine. Next one is, apart from this, in a Java applications, we are able to perform all arithmetic operations. We are able to perform all arithmetic operations over the numbers which are represented, represented in the number systems, in all the number systems, which are represented in any of the number systems, in any of the number systems. I got my point here clearly, what I'm telling to you. So if the numbers are available in the number systems now, then we can perform all arithmetic operations over the numbers. We can perform what there, all arithmetic operations over the numbers which are in a different number systems. All right, sir. Now observe carefully what we are getting there. Now try to understand this. Some examples here I'm providing there about this. Now we can recognize the operations here. First of all, here I want to take directly system.out.println of now 0 small b 1010 plus 0 12. Something else here I've written. Tell me guys, what's going to be happening here now? What is this actually here? This is what number here? Binary. This is what there? Octal number, not hexadecimal, octal number here. Now observe carefully. So when we compile this program, first what compiler will do? Compiler will convert this number into what there? Into the decimal. What is the decimal equivalent? No, 10. 1010, 0 into 2 power 0, 1 into 2 power 1 plus 0 into 2 power 2 plus 1 into 2 power 3. 2 power 3 is 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 is a value. Now this is what there? 0, 1, 2. 0, prefix value is 0. 0 is what there? 0 is what there? Octal number system. 1 to 2 into 8 power 0 plus 1 into 8 power 1. 2 into 8 power 0, 2 plus 1 into 8 power 1, 10 now. Again 10. Then what's the value here we are able to get now? Come on, what's the value here we are able to get? 20. 20 is the value here. Anyway, later on I'll show this. Let me go for some other examples also. System.out.println of 0 small x, alright sir, 0 small x 80 or maybe 0 small x 12 plus like what there, right, 0 small b 1100 that we can provide there. Then after that, or else maybe we can use this what there, -1, minus also here we can provide. Now here we can provide like what there, like this. Okay, fine. Now system.out.println of 0 small b 4 ones, like what next one here, star like what there, 0 2 0 2 that we provided. Next one is system.out.println of, like what I'm telling there, 0 like here 0x a 0x a, then a slash 0 small b 0010. Some examples here. Then on flow I'm taking the numbers now. Right, sir. All of you are getting it or not? Take this program, find output now. All of you. Second one. Come on. Write a program, sir. Right. Find output, sir. Remaining also. Any mistake with my program? First confirm that. Number systems are okay, right? You calculate it. First one is fourth one slash divided 5. I think you calculate already outputs, right? Okay, fine. I'm thinking about memory members. Everybody, find outputs there. Anyway, I'll compile and execute this program. We'll get some outputs. So here my main intention is what there. What is the range for int? I'll discuss with you in the data types. Don't worry. Then here the point is like what I'm telling to you. We can perform all arithmetic operations over the numbers which are in any of the number systems. That's the point here I'm telling you. Not only in the case of decimal, but internal process is what they represent any number in any number system where compiler will convert that all the numbers into the decimal number system, that all the operations are going on with what their decimal values only. At least try for it. So here in this example, if we try for this example there, what we are getting clarity there, how we are going to convert that numbers from different number systems into decimal system. Then after that we are going to calculate it. Okay, calculate it. Here the question is how to convert numbers from different number system to decimal number system. That is the question now. Calculate. I think one example I shown in each and every number system, how to convert from specified number system to decimal number system. Follow that. Yes. Java C space tester.java. Right. Right, sir. All of you are getting same outputs. 2835. How sir? How values are coming there? Now try to check this now. 1010 is the what's the value here? 10 now. 10 minus 012. 012 is what there? Octal number. Octal number. 012 is what there? Octal number. That octal number must be converted to what the decimal number. What is the decimal number? No. 2 into 8 power 0 plus 1 into 8. 2 into 8 power 0 is what there? 2. 2 plus 1 into 8 power 1. 8. Then what's the value here? 10. 10 is the value. Here plus. So what's the result here now? 20. Next come for this. Now tell me 0x12. 0x12 is what there? Hexadecimal no. Hexadecimal 12. 2 into 16 power 0 plus 1 into 16 power 1. That is what is the value here? 2 plus 16. 2 plus 16 is what there? 18 minus. Alright sir. Now this is what the 0b 101010 now. What's the value here we are getting there? Now tell me 8. 8 is the value. Next one is convert 0b 4 ones we provided. What is 4 ones here now? Calculate it. What is the 4 ones here? 15 here we are getting there. Still, if you want to calculate it, 1 into 2 power 0, 1 into 2 power 1, 1 into 2 power 2, 1 into 2 power 3. 2 power 3 is what there? 8. 8 plus 4 plus what next one? 1. 1. Then what next one? 1 into 2 power 0, 1. Then 1 into 2 power 2, 1. That means 8 to 4, 2, 1. 8 to 4, 2, 1 value is what there? 15. Right, sir. 15 minus. Then 0 to 0 to is what there? 2 into 8 power 0. That is what value here? No, 2. Then here, this is what their star. Now, what's the value here? 30. 30 is the value. Now, let's come for this next one. 0xa. That means hexadecimal value. What is that A? A is what there? 10 now. 10 is the value here that we have to take. 10 now. 10 into 16 power 0. That is what there? 10 now. 10 only. 10 now. Slash. What next one? You know? 0b 0010. Right? 2. 2. Value is what there? 5. That's it. This is a calculation here we can identify. All right, sir. Now, anyway, then this I give in on-flow calculations to you, but we can do that on paper. If you put that, then automatically we are able to get some values. That's okay, fine. So next one is after completion of this. Now, all of you take this example. Try to find, try to calculate this. Everybody take this one. All right, sir. Now, into A is equal to 0b 10 into B is equal to 0 23. All right, sir. Into C is equal to 10 into D is equal to 0 small x B. All right. Int result is equal to A plus B star C divided by D semicolon. Come on, make it fast. For the sake of you, I'm going to simplify this expression. Now take this expression like this. Right. Calculate it. Right, sir. My online people are giving outputs fastly. I think they are typing the program and executing the program. No? What is it? 8 831 by final output. Give that final output. Put on paper, sir. Easily you can get it now. Yes. 20, 21, 18. Okay. Right. Those who are not having that awareness on the conversion here, just I'm typing it now. Anyway, try in our own way, then I'll provide this in the, at your home. We can check these calculations. sir, right? Up to that. This is 10 only. This is what there? What's the value here? No, 11 only. 11 star 16 power 0. So that is what there? 11 only. 11 are taken now. Okay. Right. So now if we come for this calculation, what are the values here? 12 plus what next one? 12 plus 19 star. C is what there? 10 now. Then after that divided by what's the value here? No, 11. Okay. Then what's the value here? First we have to calculate what there? 19 star 10 that we have to calculate. So 12 plus 190. And then after that we have to provide that what there? Slash 11. So I didn't thought of that 11 here. On floor given that numbers. Okay. Anyway, then we are able to get some output anyway. Right. So 12 plus 190. What's the value here? No. What's the value? 202, right? 202 by 11. What's the result, sir? Okay, now let me check it. So I'm totally weak in mathematics, sir. Don't ask to me. Basic mathematics. Anyway, 18 value we are getting. Dots are not required. Why? Because it is a slash only. Okay, dots are not coming here in Java. This is in Java. In Python, maybe dots also we are able to get. In some other languages, after dot also fraction values also here we are able to get. But in Java, integral value here we are getting. 18 is a solution. Right. Now, observe carefully. Here the value is like what there? 18. 18. Then output is also like what there? 18. I given this. This now these are the examples. No, right, sir. So finally, these are the various models what we are having about like what their number systems. Number systems and it's a basic models here we understood clearly. Leave this one after completion of this. Next one, number systems part is completed here. Next we have to go for what their keywords or reserved words. Next one, keywords are what their reserved words. Fine. Understand this, all of you know, keywords are reserved words. Everybody, put more concentration here. First of all, what is keyword and what is reserved word? I'll take one example. Try to understand this example now. For, I've taken for int I is equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. Some body here I've written. Some instructions here I've written. Observe carefully. Now, when JVM executes this instruction, when JVM comes to this line, especially when it encounter this for, immediately what JVM will do now, JVM will go to expression 1. JVM will go toward their expression 1. Right, sir? After this expression 1, JVM will come to what their expression 2. JVM will come to like what their expression 2. Okay. This is conditional expression. If it returns true value, if that expression, conditional expression returns true value, then JVM will come to the body. When body is executed totally, completely at the end of the body, flow of execution will come to what there? Plus plus, I plus plus. Flow of execution is what there? I plus plus. Okay, when I plus plus is executed, again flow of execution will come to what there, this particular instruction I less than 10. Again this condition will be executed. If this conditional expression result is true, again body will be executed. After executing this body, flow of execution will come to what there, I plus plus. Again it will come to what there, condition. How long it is going to be executed? How long that conditional expression result is what there, true. Up to the time the body will be executed, again I plus plus. Once if conditional expression result is a false, if conditional expression result is a false, then flow of execution will come to like what there, next line. That means next line of the respective for loop. It will come outside of the for loop. This is the total flow of execution of the for loop. Understand? I'm asking one question to you. Try to understand this. When JVM executes this particular instruction, how JVM is coming to the instruction 1? After that JVM is coming to the instruction 2. On the base of the result of this second expression, why it is executing body and how it is executing I plus plus next. After that, why it is coming to again expression 2, why it is taking the decision. If expression 2 result is true, then again executing body. If expression 2 result is false, it will come outside of the loop. How JVM knows about this total flow of execution? Who has given the total flow of execution to the JVM? That's the question now. Right. Here the answer for this question is what there. A predefined word we provided. A predefined word we provided. That is what there for. That for predefined word has given that total flow of execution to what there, to the JVM. Means that for is a predefined word. It has a word recognition in Java and it has some internal functionality. That predefined word has what there, some internal functionality. That internal functionality is giving direction to the JVM to execute this entire for loop in this way only. That internal functionality of the predefined word for has giving directions to the JVM to execute this total for loop in this fashion, in this way. Yes, sir. All of you are getting it or not? So this is again I'm telling there. JVM is coming to this loop first. JVM is coming to expression 1. Then after J is coming to what their expression 2. It will take the result. Then it will decide whether it has to execute the body or it has to go outside of the loop. Okay, body is executed. If it is to body, after that body, I plus plus. Then after that again it will come to body. That means this is a fixed flow of execution or not? Then who has given that fixed flow of execution to the JVM? Who has given that fixed flow of execution JVM? How JVM is taking that entire flow? Right, that entire flow is getting by JVM by executing the predefined word. What is that predefined word? For. That for has some internal functionality. As per that internal functionality only, JVM is taking the total flow of execution and JVM is executing this total for loop. Got it or not? So the predefined word for has word recognition and it has some internal functionality. That internal functionality is nothing but what there? The total flow of execution of the for execution that could be done by JVM. Right. If any predefined word, it has internal functionality. If any predefined word, it has word recognition as well as internal functionality, then that predefined word is called as what there is a keyword. That predefined word is what there is a keyword. Observe carefully. Now let me write the definition for it now. What is a keyword here? It is a, or else maybe keyword is a predefined word. Keyword is what there is a predefined word. It has word recognition and internal functionality. Keyword is a predefined word. It has word recognition and internal functionality. All right, sir. What are the various keywords are available in Java? Observe carefully. Keyword is a predefined word. It has word recognition and internal functionality. That's okay. Now here we need to understand the list of keywords. What are the list of keywords which are available in Java? What are the various list of keywords which are available in Java? right? Moreover, understand this, all the keywords internal functionalities are fixed and predefined, not defined by the developer, not user defined, not possible to define user defined keywords in Java. Only predefined keywords only are allowed inside the Java. Don't think about it, user defined keywords, not at all possible. Leave this one. What are the various keywords are available there? To prepare Java applications, to prepare Java applications, Java has provided the following list of keywords. Just I'm going to give that list of keywords to you. Now try to understand that list of keywords. Of course, their functionalities are not required to understand immediately. Why? Because they are spreading throughout the Java. That keywords are spreading throughout the Java in the right locations, in the right area. We are going to discuss about the right content here now. But at present here, list of keywords only here I'm going to provide. Now try to understand the list of keywords here. First one, observe carefully the categories wise. I'm going to provide these keywords now. First one is like what I'm telling to you. Data types, data types, data types, and return types. Under these data types and the return types, what we are having there. Observe carefully. Byte, short, int, long, float, double, boolean, char, finally void. Void is what there is a return type, not a data type. But all these are data types and as well as like what their return types. We can use all these are what their return types for the methods as well as what their data types. These many things are available. Okay, in the case if I miss anything and so on, we can write it and so on. Right, so now this is like what I'm telling to you. First one. Second list. Observe carefully. Data types and return types that we understood there. The second list. Second list is like what there access modifiers. Access modifiers. What are the various access modifiers here? Observe carefully. Public, protected, private, static, final, abstract, native, volatile, transient, strict FP, and so on. If anything is remaining, that we can provide. These are like what their access modifiers related keywords in Java. Right, sir. Then after that, after completion of this, another part, number 3. Right, sir. Flow controllers related things. What are these flow controllers related things? Now we can understand if, else, switch. After this is switch, case, inside this break. Break is also existed, but later I'll write that break. Next one is like what their case. Here also we can write like what their break, but later I will take that break there. Then after that, after completion of this default, after this default, next one is a for, next one is while, do. Then after that, after completion of this flow controllers. Right, sir. Next one is like what their break. Next one is like what their continue, and so on. If anything is remaining, then we can take that. So these are like what their flow controllers keywords. Next one is after this class or object related keywords. Class or object related keywords. What are these class or object related keywords? No. What are class or object related keywords here? All right, understand this class keyword. Next one is after this class no abstract. Already we have taken that abstract in like what there access modifiers, right? Class. Next one is like what there interface. Next one is what there extends. Next one is what there implements. Then after that, and then after that enum, enum. Then after that new. This next one is like what there super. Then after that package. Next one is like what there import and so on. All the things. If anything is remaining, that we can understand. Class are object related keywords. Right, sir. Then after this, next one is after completion of this, that another one exception handling related keywords. Exception handling related keywords. Some keywords are specific to exception handling. What are these actually? Throw, throws, try, catch, finally, max. These are the exception handling related keywords. Right, sir? So overall keywords here we are understanding there. Maybe if anything is remaining, then we can understand it. No, overall list of keywords here we provided. Then after that, what is this reserved word actually? They are the examples for keywords. It's okay, but what is this reserved word? No, all of you understand this. I'm going to write the definition for it. Try to understand it. No, a reserved word is a predefined word in a Java. It will have only word recognition without it will have only word recognition without the internal functionality. Without the internal functionality. Let's see some examples here. Reserved word is a predefined word in Java. It will have only word recognition without the internal functionality. Without internal functionality. Okay. All right, sir. Now, what is this actually? Example is what there? Example is like what I'm telling to you after this. CONST constant. CONST constant. Okay. Next one is a go to. Right. They are the two examples we can understand. But one small note here we can identify. These are having only names. That's it. But they're not having any internal functionality. Java has not defined any internal functionality. Just only names are existed. Got it or not? Now let's see this one. One point I'm telling there. In Java applications, we are able to use in Java applications, we are able to use only keywords. We are unable to use reserved words due to the lack of internal functionality. The lack of internal functionality. Keywords are not having internal functionality. That's why we are unable to use them. Only we are able to use what there keywords only. Then the extension point here I'm telling there. If we use reserved words in a Java application, then compiler will raise an error. Why? Because when we use that job, reserved words there, compiler will search for its functionality, but no functionality is defined. But without having functionality, what is the use of? What's the need of using that reserved words there in a Java program? No? That's why here we are getting some compilation error. When we use what there? When we use reserved words in our programs. But if we use keywords, no, they had internal functionalities. So definitely compiler will not raise any error and JVM will execute that keywords. As per that keywords internal functionality, JVM is able to perform some actions. But in the case of reserved words, no internal functionalities are available. So compiler will identify that. Immediately compiler will raise some error. Right, sir. For the sake of you, I'm telling you, now try to understand this clearly. Say, for example, there the examples are provided there. Say, for example, CONST into I is equal to 10. Something else I've used there. What is this? What is this CONST? That word is recognized. It is appeared in blue color. Keywords. All keywords are available in what there? Blue colors. So keyword is available in blue color, but it doesn't have its internal functionality. Now here we have to check it. Java C space tested.java. Illegal sort of expression. What is this constant? We don't know. That's why here we are getting some errors there. Definitely no. Not only that, if we use some go to statement here, something else maybe. If we use go to statement, like what there now after this, I want to go to some line number here. I want to provide, say, for example, 3. What will happen? Now let us see this. Java C space tested.java. Again, illegal sort of expression here we are getting there. Errors we are getting now. If I use int is a what their keyword. If I use directly int, no, I will not get any compilation error. Why? Because compiler understand that there is a functionality for int internally. What is the int functionality there? For int, whenever we have taken int now, 2 bytes of memory has to be allocated. Within the 2 bytes of memory, value will be provided. Then for that memory, identifier must be provided. That is what there I like this. The total functionality is available with what there int int. Got it or not? Right, sir. Now this is a point here. Then after that, after completion of this, this is a total story about keywords and reserved words. Then after that, here we have to understand like what their operators. This is very, very important in the point of interviews and in the point of like what there. Right, sir. Understand it. In the point of interviews and in the point of like certification exams. If you want to go for any OCJP kind of exams there's some questions we are able to get from this operators part. First of all, tell me what is an operator? Simple definition. What is an operator? Understand it? No. Operator is a symbol, something else, maybe plus or maybe star or slash or something else. Operator is a symbol. It will perform a particular operation over the provided operands. Understand my point here? It will perform a particular operation over the provided operands. A plus B. Plus is a symbol. Its internal functionality is what there? Addition operation. To perform addition operation, it required what there? Operands. Operands are what there? A and B. It will take A value and B value, then it will perform addition operation there. So that's the definition of like what there? Operator. Operator is a symbol. Operator is a symbol. It will perform a particular operation over the provided operands. Operator is a symbol. It will perform a particular operation over the provided operands. That's the point, sir. Understand this clearly. Next one is after completion of this. What are the various operators are available in Java to perform these operations now? Right. To prepare Java applications, Java has provided the following list of operators. What are the various operators are provided here? Now just let me give list of operators now. First one, very first one, arithmetic operators. What are these arithmetic operators actually? So many things are available. What are these arithmetic operators now? Plus, minus, star, slash, then what next one here? Percentile. Then after that, after completion of this, double plus, double minus, double plus and a double minus. Right, sir. Like this here, we are able to provide. These are like what they are arithmetic operators. Next one is assignment operators. What is that next one here? Assignment operators. What are these assignment operators clearly? All right, sir. Now here, equal, not double equal. Double equal is comparison. Equal, plus equal, minus equal, slash equal, percentile equal. I think star equal is also existed. star equal, slash equal, percentage equal. These are like what their assignment operators. Got it or not? Next one, after completion of this assignment operators, no. Next one is comparison operators. Comparison operators. What are the various comparison operators here we are having there? Double equals, not equal, less than or equal, greater than or equal. Okay. Right, sir. Next one is after that. Fourth one. After understand this comparison operator, Boolean logical operators. Boolean logical operators. Boolean logical operators. Okay. Now inside these Boolean logical operators and are exclusive OR and or exclusive OR. Of course, not. Not is for the sake of what there for opposite. Okay. All right, sir. Next one is after that bitwise logical operators. Bitwise logical operators. What are these bitwise logical operators now? Same and are exclusive or left shift, right shift, and so on. If anything is remaining now, left shift and right shift. These are like what they're bitwise logical operators. All right, sir. Next one after that. Another one. After understanding these bitwise logical operators, next one is ternary operators. Ternary operator. What is this ternary operator? Syntax I'm writing there directly. It includes three expressions. That's why the name is what there ternary. Expression 1 question mark. Expression 2 colon. Expression 3 semicolon. We'll see some examples on the basis of this. Expression 1 question mark. Expression 2 colon. Expression 3 semicolon. Is clear? Right, so these are like what they're ternary operators. Next one, seventh one, short circuit operators. Short circuit operators. Double and double R. Double and double R. Right, sir. Now these are overall operators what you are having clearly. Right, sir. Now let's see this. What exactly the content here we are understanding there about these operators. No, let us see the list of operators clearly. First of all, given the definition for what their operators. What is this operator? No, operator is a symbol. It will perform a particular operation over the provided operands. Next one is to prepare Java applications. Java has provided the following list of operators. What are the list of operators are available here? Arithmetic operators, plus or minus and so on. Okay, fine. Assignment operators, comparison operators, Boolean logical operators, right? Bitwise logical operators, ternary operators. Next one is what there? Short circuit operators. There are overall 7 number of operators which are available in Java. Right, so now here we have to see some examples on the basis of each and every operator. We need to go for some examples here, right? Now let us see these examples here. All of you observe carefully. So not required to show any program with like what there. This arithmetic operators like plus or minus a star slash a personnel. Am I right? Still some people are looking at me with the question mark face. Are then right from your childhood onwards you are using that. Okay, I don't know. As per my responsibility, I want to take one example. Why I'm going to get a comment from your side. So this topic is not discussed by you. Okay, I'll take one example. And we give answer for it. Right, sir. Now, into A is equal to 10, into B is equal to 3. All right, sir. Even myself also, I'm feeling shy to take this example inside the class. Let me take it. System out dot println of, all right, sir, A plus B. Some people are not responding for me. So what I have to do? A minus B. Okay, right. Not required, right? Right, sir. Anyway, now I don't require all these answers. No, just at least give last two answers. So I'll move on to the next one. If you are not ever open, if you are not ever open your mouth, again I will take one more example on this. First output is what there now? Tell me. 13. Second output is what there? 7. Okay. Third output is what there? 30. Fourth output? Uh, 3 or 3.3? 3 or 3.3? Already in the last example, already we have seen that points are not coming. Okay. Next one is what there? Reminder. Reminder is what there? 1. 1 or 1.0? 1 only. But see, if it is a Python program, definitely results will be changed. In slash and in percentile, no values are going to be changed. Now let me check this. All the values are coming or not like this. Java C space tester.java. Right? Okay. Good, sir. Nice. You are very good in Java. One example. All right, sir. Now take the second example. All of you know. Come on. Take second example. Everybody. All of you ready now? Take this. Open your notebooks. Into A is equal to 10. System dot out dot println of plus plus k. Into B is equal to 10. System dot out dot println of A plus plus. Into C is, sorry, B plus plus. Into C is equal to 10. All right, so now system dot out dot println of C minus minus. Into D is equal to 10. System dot out dot println of minus minus D. Of course, some of you may calculate these outputs easily. Yes, sir. First one is what? First one is what? Yeah, so I need to explain the content. I know that. So some variation is there in our outputs, right? First one is 11. Second one is 10. Third one is 10. Fourth one, 9. Okay, anyway. So explanation is required. But all members are not giving answers now. Only few members are giving answers, right? Anyways, then I want to confirm your answers first. After that, I'll explain to you. I decided I want to give some explanation for it. Moreover, in our company written test, you will get more number of questions from this. From this, increment and decrement operators are very, very important in the point of OCJP exams and in the point of like what their certification exams. Definitely, we require that. That's clear, all of you know. Right, so now let me compile and execute this program. We'll get some output. Java C space tester.java compiled successfully. Java space test. 11, 10, 10, 9. Right, sir. Okay, fine. Observe carefully. Now, first of all, anyway, irrespective of that example, I'm taking this now. Try to understand it. Int a is equal to 10. System dot out dot println of what we have taken there, plus plus k. Now, next example. Int a is equal to 10. System dot out dot println of a plus plus. Next one. System dot out dot, that means here int a is equal to 10 now. I'm going to take like what there, minus minus k. Okay, maybe in the example what I've taken, leave it. All cases I'm trying to cover. Now here we have to provide like what there, a minus minus. This is what exactly the 4 points here I've given. Let me save this. I required this part here. So now this is like what there, increment, decrement operators. But before that, let me talk some theoretical points here for this. Increment or decrement operators in the sense. So those who are completely new for programming languages, not having any awareness on previous programming languages, I'm giving clarity. Try to understand it. No. First of all, increment operators will increment the value of a variable by 1. What is that increment operator? No, increment operators will increment the value of a variable by 1. If 10 is available, plus plus is nothing but what there, increment operator. The 10 value will be incremented by 1. So 11 value we are able to get. Got it or not? Now, syntax. That means the syntax is what there. For example, syntax, I will give that syntax later on. All right, sir. Then after that, how many types of increments and decrements are available there? How many types of increments are available? There are 2 types of increment operators. There are 2 types of increment operators. One is pre-increment. One is what there? Pre-increment operator. What is this pre-increment operator? Can know plus plus var name. Right or not? Plus plus var name. So what is the meaning of it here? What it's going to be understanding? What we are going to understand here? No. All right, sir. First it will increment. First value will be incremented. Value will be incremented. Next incremented value will be participated in the expression. That expression may be anything. First value will be incremented. Next incremented value will be participated in the expression. Got it or not? Please remember this. Pre-increment, I'm talking there. Next, number 2, post increment. Post increment operator. What is this post increment operator? Var name plus plus. Observe carefully. Pre-increment, first plus plus var name. Post increment is what there? Plus plus is available where there? After the var name. So what's going to be happen here inside this now? All right, sir. Now observe carefully. First current value will be participated in the expression. That expression may be sysnot outed println, or that expression may be some mathematical expression, whatever it may be. First incremented value will be participated in the expression. Next value will be incremented at memory. Next variable value will be incremented. Variable value will be incremented at memory. Okay, this is about like what their increment operators. Got it or not? Right, sir. In the diagram we can recognize these points here. First 2 cells are what their plus plus a pre-increment. This is what their a plus plus. This is what their post increment here. Right, sir. Now similarly we have to understand that next another thing also be like sir, increment operators here we understood there. Next one is here we need to understand like what their decrement operators. What's the meaning of decrement operators here? What they are able to do there? Observe carefully. Now decrement operators will decrement a variable value by 1. Decrement operators will decrement a variable value by 1. Observe carefully. All right, sir. Again, here also there are two types of decrement operators in Java. What are the two types of decrement operators? No, first one is pre-decrement. First one is what their pre-decrement operator. That means what their minus minus a var name. First what their minus minus a var name. Observe carefully. Now here, what will happen there? No, minus minus var name. Then this is not like what the single minus. This we can understand minus minus var name. Okay, right, sir. What it will do here actually, right, sir? Here, first variable value will be decremented. Variable value will be decremented. Next up, decremented value will be participated in the expression. That expression may be Cessna doubted println. That expression may be a normal mathematical expression, whatever it may be. No, right, sir. Next one is after that. The second case is what there? Post decrement. Post decrement operator. Right, sir. Now here var name minus minus. Var name what there? Minus minus. Var name minus minus. Right, sir. What do you understand there from this? No. First current value of the variable will be participated in the expression. Next, first current value of the variable will be participated in the next expression. Next, variable value will be decremented by one at a memory. Now this is the total theory what we are getting. Even first time if you are understanding this programming language, no, the required theoretical part here I provided. Yes, sir, got it or not? Right, sir. Now here we have to see this diagram here. This diagrammatic explanation here I have to provide there. All three models, all four examples here I'm going to provide. Okay. Then after that I will go for some different examples on increment and decrement operators. So these are very important. Don't miss these classes. No. Then I must give clarity on each and every point here without failure. Right. So what I'm telling there, tomorrow onwards, everybody must bring notebooks and pens. Tomorrow onwards, next 3 to 4 days of time, compulsory we are going to have some exercise, so we have to calculate them. So tomorrow I'll explain this total part here. Time is already completed, then it may not be sufficient. Tomorrow I'll complete this part. After completion of this, tomorrow I will go for what there further examples I'm going to discuss with you. So this is important topic. Don't miss the tomorrow's class there, right? Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. We'll meet you tomorrow. ఆటోమేటిక్ కోర్స్ అయిపోతుంది, ఆటోమేటిక్ తెలుస్తూ ఉంటుంది మనకి. అంటే మన ఇక్కడ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి, అంటే జస్ట్ లిస్ట్ ఇవ్వాలి కాబట్టి మనం ఇస్తున్నాం, కానీ ఇమ్మీడియట్ గా మనం అన్ని కూడా యూజ్ చేయము. ఇప్పుడు డేటా టైప్స్ దగ్గర చెప్తా, ఏ డేటా టైప్స్ ఎట్లా యూజ్ చేయాలని ఆటోమేటిక్ గా వచ్చేస్తా ఉంటాయి. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి పర్లేదు, ఆ లిస్ట్ ఉంది అంతే, తెలుసుకోవడం అన్ని ఉంటాయని వాటి గురించి వస్తాం మళ్ళీ క్లియర్ గా, అప్పుడు మనకు గుర్తుండిపోతాయి ఆటోమేటిక్ గా. మీరు సపరేట్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ ఏం చేస్తాం. All right, guys. Then can I start early on the weekends as I'm available after 8 p.m. Yeah, Eunice. Then I will check the schedules. You don't worry. Yeah, Pranjali. Then we can type the message. I will reply for you. Yeah, please. Yeah, somewhat memory is different. No, then the range of values are also different for it. That means min value and max values range is available for every data type. Some range values are available. So ranges wise from data type to data type changes are available. That changes, and as well as like what there, this memory wise is also different. That is another one. See, only one point. A normal integral value and a fraction value, if you want to display float, we are going to use. But somewhat micro values we are going to display there. Say for example, micro values in the sense in a biological kind of labs now, then we are going to provide like what there. Yeah, more decimal values, and like what they're more after dot also more fraction values we are going to provide. There we are going to recognize what their double values. Float we are going to use normally. The regular use float we are going to use, but in the more complex values if you want to provide in a double, that means in the float more complex values, more lengthy values in the sense double we can take. No issues. We can use normal also. We can use. Say for example, 1.10 I want to use. Same. But memory wise, double will take more. 8 bytes of memory. But float will take only 4 bytes of memory. Long will take 8 bytes of memory. Int will take 4 bytes of memory. In Java, 4 bytes. In other program language, 2 bytes of memory. Yeah, then tomorrow there is a class, guys. Tomorrow I'll take session for everybody. Yeah, Sai Seranya, even at 4:30 also they will come at what time there? 6 o'clock actually. 4:30 people also will come to 6 o'clock. Yeah, from Whoops onwards. Okay. Yeah. That's the problem there. Yeah, we have class, guys, and tomorrow don't miss the class. I'm 22 CS passed out and working as lecturer. Hey, then 2022 passed out. Okay. It's good idea to quit my job and fully focus on the course. Yeah, Yogesh, then what I'm telling to you, don't leave your current job until you are getting new job. But parallelly, you have to plan for your courses learning. That's my suggestion. Understand? Yogesh, then what I'm telling there, currently whatever the job you are doing, don't close it. Don't quit from it. So try to do that, and parallel we have to focus on these courses. Once you completed these courses, then after that, whenever we are getting new job offer letter, then only you can quit from your current job. That's my sincere advice to you. Yeah, we have class on tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow is Saturday, right? Yeah. So what's the problem there? I will take class on Saturday also. Tomorrow we have class. Any specialty on tomorrow? Date fourth. Any festival or anything else? People are asking me tomorrow do you have class or not? Tomorrow we have class. Tomorrow there is a class. That's it. Okay. And Sai Kumar, and present I'm working as a backend developer, and I don't have much knowledge about that. So they are assigned some back work to me last week. So how can I manage with this term? Backend in the sense, which type of work on which platform you got that work there? Java. That's nice. But you don't know anything about it, right? Hmm. Then backend work in the Java in the sense, then but what you have to do there? Then at least if you know something about Java, then we can plan for it. Better to go for it. What there? The related codes are available in the repositories in the Google. Check for it and we can copy and paste it maximum. But at present, we are at very low level, right? About the Java. So then wait for some time. Then only we can do that work. Enterprise application development. Yeah, we require might be frameworks level. Then only you can do anything in the project. But at present, how it is possible? Just we are at kids in core Java even. But how it is possible to do that enterprise application development? Enterprise application development required what there? Maximum framework, Spring Boot, microservices, Spring, or maybe Hibernate, this kind of things. So you have to take the courses. Then you have to practice and all. After that only, it's not like given 1 month time or 2 months of time, guys. It will be like what there. Then full stack Java, if we take no minimum 7 months of time, it will take. Yeah, that's the problem. Okay. Then tomorrow is a Saturday only, right? So we have session. But why people are getting doubt on it? I think last Saturday I have taken the class. No, not taking the class there. Not last Saturday. Yeah. But tomorrow class, then day after tomorrow I will give holiday. It's Sunday holiday. But tomorrow we have session. Now try to attend for it. Uh-huh. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. On weekends also we are planning for the classes, but not immediately. Yeah, tomorrow we have session. Try to attend for it. On Sunday, no class. Yeah, Ashish. Nice. No problem. Okay. Next batch will start maybe on after 1 week of time at 4:30 p.m. Pranjali Mahato. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, Sai Kumar, it's a completely difficult for you. Yeah, Sai Sirana, then I'll explain that. Then Boolean operators will work on Boolean data types, no? But bitwise operators will work on bits only, zeros and ones. But operators will be same, but the operands would be different. Okay. Okay, right. Anything else, guys? Shall we meet on tomorrow? Any suggestion in the sense and Sai Kumar? Then if you then only one thing is what there you have to speed up the courses. Then to speed up the courses in the sense maybe some videos platforms are available. There you may get it. There you can take the videos. There we can speed up the courses. That is a possibility. But with these courses, maybe it may be somewhat slow. Video of this class where it is available, sir. Then I think still it is not completed the session. No, within 1 hour you will get in Google Drive. Yeah, Pranati. Okay. Pranjali, no, not required yet. Just we can directly talk with me through this. No problem. Yeah. Guys, okay, anything else apart from this? Shall we meet on tomorrow? Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Sri Harsha, then the timings are already given there, fixed timings, right? Okay. See, then when you are able to come out from your office there, 7 p.m., no? As well as possible, try to attend the classes there. Maybe in the introduction classes, that things are going to be missed out there. Then, as well as possible, when you come out from your office, then try to attend for the session. Okay, that's it. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Supports, it's okay, but related to the topic. Why? Because even myself also, I'm not going to have much time, guys. So, right, early morning 7 to up to night 11, I have sessions actually continuously. Sri Harsha, then it may take a lot of time to start the new batches. Maybe then not immediately. I may start it in the future, not immediately. Then anyway, then I'm giving some video sessions to you now. You will check for that. That within when the time is available for it, then try to attend for the session. The just 1 or 2 points you may miss there. Then where we can check with the video sessions. That will be good thing. Why? Because yeah, where to plan for this. Okay, right. Thank you guys. Anything else apart from this? Shall we meet on tomorrow? Yeah. Sri Harsha, then yeah, then we can in the session directly we can next day we can send messages to the questions box. There I can check for it. Then Sai Kumar, then one thing I'm telling to you, maybe some Facebook pages are available like Java Coffee or something else. No, then we can post it. Any some support team for the sake of back and work there. Maybe some people might be available for it. Sai Kumar. Maybe in the Google might be number of pages are available. Just check for it. Some people maybe may help to you regarding this support people. Yeah. Okay. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. All right. Then I'll see you on tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll see the remaining content. Tomorrow also we have session, guys. Don't miss that class. Tomorrow also we are going to have session. Thank you. Thanks a lot.